Hello, my name is Kamille, and I worked on the backend and API integration utilizing Flask of our website.
Hi everyone, my name is Phincho and I work on the front end and the design of the website.
Hello everyone, my name is Roofeah. I worked on the research and collecting data, and I worked on some of the front end.
Cool, so our inspiration for this project came as we were brainstorming ideas we wanted to address, and the issue kept coming up was the amount of pollution and waste we see every day in New York. So we wanted to create a solution wherein we would bridge people together and close the gap between what people coming together and being more informed about our waste use and how we can reduce that waste. So we have one of our main highlights is the donate button, and here the user would be able to input their information and donate to our nonprofit. We also have a chat bot in the corner here. So if you click here and you type something, the user types something, and then press send, they would get a pop-up that would say, give them a random greeting or fact. We also have our mission statement and our concerns and solutions. We have them next to each other to depict the differences of what our world can look like if we make a change. So for that reason, we have the trash and polluted area on the left and a greener world where people are working to help make it better on the right. Our latest news section utilizes a news API that brings in different articles based on keywords. So for example, wonder what to recycle our infographic, and if we click here, that will take us to their news article. Cool. And down here we have the user can input their email address, and it will add them to our newsletter, and they will get a pop-up, and I'll give it over to my teammate now.
Our problem page. So basically you can see that this page also has a donate button, and the reason why we have the donate button is to keep the user aware of the funding cause. And as you scroll, we have the facts and videos to help user learn more facts about the waste issue, and also it shows the effects on different organisms and humans and birds. And as you hover over each one, you could see they move, which is kind of cool. And you can click on the click to help button to guide you to the solutions page.
Alright, before I go into the solutions page, I just want to pinpoint our nav bar. As you can see, our nav bar is really easy to use, and if you click on the ways to help, you can see the different ways that you can help. So going to the solutions page, we have on display different ways that you can help. Personally, the number one way you can help is to just learn in general and just be aware of the issue. As you scroll down, we also have some more tips for you to be a part of the change. And if you go down to the community meetups and you click submit, you can just know that because of COVID-19, we're going to have Zoom workshops instead of meeting up in person in order to still keep the change happening, at home and learning about it. Yeah.
So how we came as a team for this project was initially we all had different ideas and we have this different experience. So despite the disagreement, we came as a team and we were able to implement our own ideas to make the project. And the challenges we faced are we aren't experienced with the API and the back end, and to integrate the back end with the front end was difficult for us. And how we overcame those challenges are through the help of the mentor, and also communication is the key. We communicated throughout the day. Thank you.
Thank you. Another thing about our chatbot is if we go ahead and ask it for a fact, so it will give us a fact. So humans now buy 1 million plastic bottles a minute. Most of this plastic ends up in the ocean, and the ocean will contain more plastic than the weight of fish. So okay, so now if I went ahead and asked it for something about waste, it would output something regarding waste. So every year each American throws about 1,200 pounds of organic garbage that can be composted. Yes. Also, in a future iteration, we would have a little text bubble appear here along with the responses text bubble. So if I were to go tell me about waste again, it would, the US is the #1 trash producing country in the world at 1,609 pounds per person per year. This means that 5% of the world's peoples generate 40% of the world's waste, and that would appear right there. Thank you.